This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Land Rover LR4. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a locking center differential, a sunroof, front and rear heated seats, big 19-inch wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. When you purchase a certified pre-owned Land Rover, luxury, capability, and confidence are yours, thanks to a complete 140-point inspection, a comprehensive 5-year, 62,000-mile limited warranty, and 24/7 roadside assistance. You can have peace of mind along your journey. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Land Rover Dallas is located at 11400 North Central Expressway in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.